What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to remove or replace the seat on your Husqvarna 701. This is a 2017. I'm not sure what all years this will cover, but it only takes you a few minutes to check if this is the same style as yours. So we're going to be installing a seat concept seat today. So the first thing we're going to do is we're on the left side of the bike here, and there should be a little black loop right here, as you see. You're going to pull that. At the same time, you're going to lift up the back of the seat, and then you can let go of the loop. Once you've let go of the loop, you're just going to grab right here and pull. Same on this side. And just slide it off. New one. Got to get, I mean, if you're using the old one, it's the same steps, but there's two plastic hooks here, one here, one here. Those need to go over these two metal dowels, so it has to slide in like this. There we go. Down and forward. It goes over this black piece, just barely. And then we're going to snap the two side tabs back in. It doesn't really snap in, it just kind of goes in and holds itself. And then coming to the back here, you're going to want to line up this metal dowel here with the hole for the latch. In my case, I have to push the seat forward just slightly to get it lined up. Push down, make sure you can't lift it back up. And you are all done. And for anyone interested, this is I believe the comfort seat from Seat Concept. So it's a full, like 3 inches wider than the stock seat. So I should be able to sit on this thing a little bit longer. Well, that is going to do it for the seat removal and installation, guys. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below with any questions, follow me on all the socials, check out my other videos. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.